Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I was at Walmart today and I purchased a bunch of 2021 carded Matchbox cars as well as a couple of 5-packs that I have not seen before. So I'm going to go ahead and have a look at them and let you guys know what I think. Right, so I'm just going to randomly pull them out. First of all, we have the 2021 version of the Volkswagen Golf. I really like this. It's obviously a German issue police car. And just to do a quick comparison to the model that it replaces from last year, and just do a quick side-by-side look at them. Better angle here. It's actually really nice. Side. You can see the graphics on the card is actually really nice as well. It's got a new theme. It has the VW logo on the left. And this is card number 33 of 100. And at the back, it says 33 of 100, 1976 Volkswagen Golf. Which year does it come? So 2020 Mattel is what it says. And I'm just going to have a look at the back of, I did say last year, but I guess this year's model. And what does that say? So that actually says 2019. All right, so that is the first model that we pulled out of the bag. All right, next we have the Mercedes-Benz S123 station wagon in a very light or pale yellow, I should say. So again, just to give you a full view of the card and the graphics. Once again, I really like this casting. I'm a Mercedes-Benz fan. I mean, it's got a bit of weight to it, but I wish the grille was metal instead of plastic. So as you can see, the entire bottom of it is plastic. And it is yellow on sort of a dark brown. I can't really see it, but you can kind of get a feel for the interior. And also, once again, I want to compare it to last year's model, if I have that, which I do. Okay, let's do the comparison between the two models. So we have the 2019 and the 2020 version. So one is 2020, and what does this say at the back here? Oh, they both say 2020. That's interesting. But here's just a side-by-side comparison. There's the front of it. There's the back. Both really nice castings. That right there. Whoa. All right, see what else we got in here. Next, we got a Chowmobile. Seems like a slightly different casting from previous versions. It does say Chowmobile number 2. I do have one other. Just do a comparison. As you can see, it is slightly different. The wheels are different, as is the plastic body. And as you can see, the front is quite different as well. Just to see what it says at the bottom here. Oh, so this is actually a food truck. It is slightly different. It's a different model. That's why it's so different. Cool model, though. Guess I got nothing to compare that against. I wonder if that's a brand new model. Okay, here's another model. I haven't seen this one before. So this might be another new casting. It's a 2018 Ram flatbed. There's some stuff at the back there. Not entirely sure what it is, but it's a nice little feature. There's the front of it, just to give you the graphics. And that's 100 of 100. All right, so this is a new casting. It's a 1962 Plymouth Savoy, and I was surprised to find two of them. So I do have two of these, and I'm probably going to open one at some point. It's really nice. The graphics are really nice. It is number 12 of 100. Just going to give you a, come on, focus there. And it's a black on, I think it's a black on black interior. It's hard to tell with this lighting, but it's really nice. It's a nice model. All right, what do we have here? So next we have 71 Porsche 914. It's an interesting model. Again, it's one that I haven't seen before. I'm guessing it might be a new casting. It's quite nice. It is number 74 of 100. Once again, at the back, it does say 2020 Mattel. Here is the MBX self-driving bus. There was a version of it last year as well, which I do have here. I'm just going to pop it up so I can do a side-by-side comparison. And what does it say there? It says something transport. Can't quite read it. I think it's campus transport. That's the previous year's. I like the gold wheels. Not one of my favorite castings, but definitely worth $1. No question about it. Yeah, just different. Okay, so next we have the 2018 Dodge Charger. There was a blue version of this, yes, last year. I'm just going to see if I have one. Here we go. I think that's the same vehicle. Yeah, 2018 Dodge Charger. There's a side-by-side view. One is blue. I really like the gray with the black hubs. And I'm trying to focus in there so you can see the front a little bit clearer. It's quite a nice model. Just one of those cars that, you know, it's neither here nor there, but still very collectible. And if they do, 50 different versions of it, you definitely want to have one of each of those versions. I'd almost like to see this as a police car, to be honest with you. That's just the back of it. What else? All right, so next we have the Ford Police Interceptor. I know there's several versions of this that they've already done. This is the first version that I have of this particular model. I really like it. I was surprised to find it at Walmart. I thought it'd be gone by the time I got there. It's the first time I'm seeing these in Canada. And I've been visiting Walmarts just about every week. It's a nice car. It is number 81 of 100. It's well casted. It's from a fire and rescue line. Really good graphics. All right, I'm just gonna pull just a few more here. Here's a Jeep. It's a 1948 Willys Jeep. There was a blue version that I have opened that I have as well. Let's have a quick comparison. I think I also have a Army version of this somewhere. There's the blue one, and there's sort of a side-by-side view. It's number 76 of 100. It's a good casting. Also another one where, you know, they have 100 different colors of this thing. I will buy all 100 of them because it's a very collectible piece. And really just well casted. Everything seems to be proportionate. It's, yeah, just really nice. Next, I really like this. It's a 1968 Dodge D200. I have a couple of different versions of this. This is a baby blue version of it. It's baby blue on beige. It's quite nice. See if I can find the other versions of it. Here we go. So last year, they had this black version. Seems to be a crack in the packaging on this particular one, and just a side-by-side comparison of the two. Once again, I wish these grills on the bottom was metal instead of plastic, because this would have been such a fantastic casting. It's just too bad that the base is plastic. Great color though, Matchbox, I have to say. Good job. And I also have that somewhere in a 9-pack, I think, in... Just trying to find it here real quick. Just going to see if I can find the... there's an orange version of it. I think it's the same vehicle here. So I have a 5-pack here that has that same casting. So just to put all three of them side by side. So there's the orange, is the baby blue, and the black. The name of that 9-pack is Off-Road Rally. There's the... pretty cool. I like it. Put that back up there. Alright, couple more. No, 3 more to review. Okay, this is a new one. This is a really nice car. It's a 2003 Nissan 350Z. I remember when they first came out, they were so popular. I think it's one you can probably customize at the front and give the... I wish the headlights had a bit of color to them. But outside of that, I'd say it's a really nice casting. And it'd be really nice if it had a number plate. I think there's room for improvement with this particular casting, but once again, it's a nice model. I really do like these Japanese models that Matchbox keeps adding to their collection. Yeah, really nice. Okay, here's a model I've seen before. It is the 56 Jaguar XK140 Roadster. Beautiful car, beautiful color. Just a great casting. Beautiful graphics. Do I have another version of it? Yes, I do. It's the same. Thought I had another version of it, but I don't. I actually had the Austin Healey. Give me 1 sec. I'm just going to check to see if I have. I did check. I do have it somewhere, but I just can't find the... I'm pretty sure there's a green version of this. Anyways, great casting. Love the car. Great job, Matchbox. Okay, here's another favorite of mine. It is part of the National Park series. It is the 59 Dodge Coronet police car. Last version of this was white. And I do have one, and I'm just going to do a side-by-side comparison. All right, here we go. So one is the National Parks green on black. Last year's version was white and baby blue. I think I do prefer last year's version, but this is still a very nice casting and extremely collectible, as it's part of the National Park series. And I know a lot of collectors do collect this particular series, and yeah, this is just another fantastic addition to it. It's a great car. It's very collectible. Surprised to be able to find two of them. I have a open one from last year. So you can do a quick comparison. And once again, just really nice. I feel like the wheels are slightly too big for this car. I almost feel like Matchbox needs to do a slightly smaller wheel for some of the vehicles that they make, because the wheel seems awfully large for some of these castings, and I've noticed that on several vehicles that they've put out recently. Anyways, great job, good casting. You know, hopefully at some point they fix the issue with the wheels. And I think that's it for today. Just a recap and sort of let you guys see the cars, and there's, of course, there's that there. So these are the cars we opened today. The vehicle that I was really hoping to get was the Bugatti, you know, the one that came out last year. There's a version of this in a black and blue, and unfortunately I could not find that in Walmart. I guess that was gone. But I'm pretty pleased to find all the vehicles I did get. This is the first time I've seen them here in Canada. I got duplicates of a couple of them that I'm going to open at some point and display. I hope you guys have a really good holiday season. This might be my last video until after the 25th. Thanks for joining my YouTube channel, and please subscribe. Thank you.